5 weird uses of AI. 1. AI news anchor. The AI that reports the news is actually modeled after one of the anchors and is on live television. The Chinese news source National Business Daily revealed a collaboration with AI company Xiaoyis in December of last year that they plan on having a news outlet entirely run by AI. The AI is able to make the same facial expressions as the host they are mimicking and was able to accomplish both it and a female anchor's AI twin in about a week's time. 2. Creating perfumes. Many different fragrances and AI developers have created an AI program called Filera that finds the best combination of odors from a multitude of different factors in order to create a fragrance. Those factors include formulas, raw materials, past performance data, market trends. 3. Solving Where is Waldo. The AI created by creative agency Red Pepper has found Waldo in around 4.45 seconds in a multitude of different puzzles. The developers have accomplished this by uploading 62 different head images and 45 body images of the titular character in order to find similarities within the pages. It is also paired with a robotic arm with a plastic hand attached to it so that the AI can point out where he is on the page. 4. Making music. Through an app called Boomy, its developer, Alex Mitchell, allows the user to just click on a few buttons to generate a song of their choice. They are able to customize a plethora of aspects of the song, such as the key the music is in or the time signature, and through this, a song is generated. Though it has only come out in 2018, they have confirmed users generating over 5 million songs with over 100,000 songs uploaded to different streaming sites. 5. Helping pollination efforts. Farmers in Australia have started implementing AI to pollinate specific plants based on their recognition of aspects like leaves and fruits in order to correctly pollinate. The robots are being tested on tomato plants, which requires the robots to shake the plants in order to knock pollen off and spread throughout the greenhouses. They travel down the room shaking each plant. Through this, the farmers would only have to buy replaceable machines instead of irreplaceable bees. Thank you for watching.